Hello everyone, Ni Hao. So today we'll be doing the exercise of chapter number 1. This is ECR book 3. So let us start with the exercise. I'm not gonna do the first question because in this we just have to make sentences. It is quite easy. First example has already been given of 写日记, which means我每天晚上都写日记. It means I daily write diary in the evening. For example, I can give you just one or two example, here, Run Min In Xiong means people's hero. So you can say Mahatma Gandhi into the Run Min In Xiong. So Mahatma Gandhi is people's hero of India. Okay, and you can say 终于实现了, which means your finally has been fulfilled. Any sentence you can add, for example, my wish has finally been fulfilled. Okay, so it is up to you. I'm not making any video for this, but if you want me to make it, I'll make it, but right now I don't think there's any need to make it. Alright, let us start with the second question, which means 终于完成注册, means we have to complete these sentences, these fill-ups using 终于. 终于 means finally. Okay, so first question is 工人们, who are 工人们? 工人们 are the workers. 工人们经常的劳动了一天. 经常 means intense. Okay, 经常的劳动了, 劳动 means labor. Okay, 一天 means one day. 这架机器, 这架 is the measure word, 机器 is the machine. So basically the sentence is the workers did the intense labor for one day. After worker did the entire the intense labor of one day, 这架机器, this machine, now they have left the blank. It is up to you however you wanna fill it. We have to fill it using 终于 means finally. So we can say this machine has finally started working, or this machine has finally been repaired. Okay, that is up to us. So 工人们 workers, after doing intense labor of one day, this machine 这架机器, I'll write in Chinese. We can say I'm writing this machine has finally been repaired. So for repair, this machine has already been written. For repair, we have a word 修理. So I'm writing that. So I'm writing it here. First of all, we'll write 终于. That is what we are about to write. Sorry, just you have to write in this direction. Then 终于, then 修理了. 修理. How do we write 修理? Man radical. And then li. La for the past tense. So after intense labor for a day, this machine has finally been repaired. Okay, let's just move on to the second question. Okay, so second question, let us start with it. 经过一年的学习, matlab after 1 year of study. So after doing studies for 1 year, 我们, we, and then a blank. Now it is up to you however you want to fill it. I would say, you can say after 1 year of study, I have finally completed 2 books. Okay, if we want to say like this. So finally का हो जाएगा, it would be 终于. Okay, okay, 终于हो गया. उसके बाद 学, after 学 what are we going to write? 学完了, because you have completed. You have to add resultative complement over here. 我写完了. Then you can say 两本书 or 三本书 if you want to say 3 books. So 三, then measure word for books, I'm writing it up over here. 三 pen, and then shoe. Okay, so this is how you can answer it. Let us come to the second part. Third part, sorry. Hyung le liang ge yue de shi jian. Hyung le means after using or spending. Liang ge means 2 months time. Okay, so after 2 months or after spending 2 months, wo dash chapun shu. Now the after this part has already been given to you. I, then a blank, finally something, this book. So I finally, you can say I finally completed. You can again repeat this part. Wo chung yu shui wan le san pen shu, sorry, shui wan le, then chapun shu is already given to you. Wo chung yu shui wan le chapun shu, or if you can even say it like wo chung yu kan wan le. I have read this book. I've seen this book. Chapun shu. That is up to you. I'm not writing it again. Okay. Let's come to the third part. 开始学习的时候 when my study started, or when the study started, 我虽然觉得比较难 I 虽然 means although, 觉得 means felt, 比较 means comparatively, nan you already know, nan means difficult. So when my study started, I although felt it's comparatively difficult, now it is up to you to fill it. So if we are using sweran over here, I think we should start our sentence with 但是. Okay, since comma is written over here, so we should start it with 但是. So we can say, when my study started, I although felt it's quite difficult, it's comparatively more difficult, but finally I completed my studies. Or you can say finally I completed writing that whatever you want to write. But I think we should start it with 但是. Why? Because sweran is there. So here we'll write 但是. उसके बाद we can write chung yu. Okay, then we can write chung yu. Let me make the characters. chung yu. So we can say I thought it's comparatively difficult, but I have finally chung yu, we can say studied or written these many characters. Okay, she, I'm writing she wan le. Do not forget to add resultative complements. she wan le. You can say 20 characters. Shirke. Do not forget to write measure word as well. You can say hands. Okay. You can even write shangzi, new words. That is up to you. Okay. Now fifth part. 我忘了他住在什么地方了。我忘了 wang means I forgot. 他住在 means he lives where. 什么地方 what place. So I forgot where does he lives. 问了几个人 one means to ask. After asking, 几 means few, measure word and people. After asking few people, now what can you add? I finally found where he lived. Okay, यही आ सकता है ना. उस sentence is saying कि मैं भूल गया वो कहाँ रहता है. But after asking few people, finally I got to know where he lives. So we can say वो chung yu. We will begin it with chung yu. What can you say? Chao tao le. Okay, because he has found it, no? तो found का word क्या है? It is chao tao le. Then resultative complement जब उसने ढूंढ लिया, right? 找到了什么？他住的地方 where he lives. I finally found where he lives. 他住的地方 and then found. Okay, this is how we're gonna write our answer. Last part, 我很早就希望看看长城. What does it mean? I very, जाओ means होता है early भी होता है, और जाओ मतलब quite long back, बहुत time से. So I was 我很早就希望 means wished or hope. 看看长城. So I was hoping to see Changcheng quite a long time ago. From very long ago, I was hoping to see Changcheng. Then what will you say? Finally, I saw Changcheng. Okay, यही आ सकता है ना कि बहुत टाइम से सोचा था कि विजिट करूंगा या करूंगी, and now I have finally visited. So we can say 终于看到了。看到了什么？长城。So the Great Wall of China. Changcheng means the Great Wall of China. Okay. So this is how you're gonna write it. So this completes our first question. We will do the remaining questions in the next video. 再见 everyone. Thank you.